Mate, allow the hair, guys. Allow the hair. I need a trim. Hey, put the thing on, bro. Trim pending. I really know what it is. Go, well done, geese. Going on, Kuzo family, my Icelandic people, then we're back again with another reaction, and we're finally about to do the longer awaited request, Flóni Leka. I know you guys wanted this song badly, like you guys, and I'm sorry, yeah, allow us guys, you know what I mean, but we're about to give you guys what you want. You guys request, Kuzo delivers. But yeah, we're about to react to Flóni Leka. Comment down below who else you'll react to next. Make sure you guys like the video, make sure you guys share the video, and make sure you guys comment the video, and make sure you guys what?
Subscribe to the channel.
And add us on
Snapchat.
Follow us on
Instagram.
Yes guys, make sure you follow us on our socials. Careful geese. And yeah, we're about to do this.
Let's do this, man.
Oh no, you thought I forgot. Also guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel called Kuzo Family. That's the main channel. Go and check that channel out and subscribe to it as well. That's my other channel, Kuzo Family, where I do vlogs and other type of videos. So if you want to see more of my personal stuff, check it out. Lit content for dates. Let's go, Flóni Leka, we're in this. Let's go, Kuzo. Oh, I like the cover art, you know, the flames and the Let's go. Leka. There we go.
Leka.
What does Leka mean, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. Cheers, very spooky, man. Let's move to it. Hey yo, Flóni, I see why you man be telling us to react to Flóni Leka.
That was a good one still.
Fam, that was
a good one.
That was Kuzo. Man, like Floney, you know, the Leka.
Leka.
But nah, the guy's good. Floney's hard. Floney's good, like, and like he's got his own distinctive style. And what I mean by like the cover arts, like even the other song Out of Herat, like the visuals, it's got like a dark theme. You know what I mean? Floney's good, man. I like to see what else he's got cooking up, what else he's got coming in the future. So, but you see the Icelandic music scene, yeah, it's just too much talent going on, you know what I mean? Like, you guys just keep getting better and better, and just more, like, I wonder who's gonna be the next big one as well. Like, there could be someone right now, yeah, where no one knows him yet, but he's gonna make a great song, and then boom, just enter the scene as well, you know what I mean? Like, you guys are not short of talent, you know what I'm saying? And this is from like, and obviously you got your other OGs, like your other guys, you know what I mean? Like, of course you got your Aaron Khan, you got your Mr. Peanut, Heather Ninja Small, you got Bin there, you got flipping Gisli Palmer. Did I say that name right? I think Stella Atlas and Joey Christ.
Yeah,
Joey Christ. And of course the newbies like Joey P, Crowley, Malak Floney. And I know if I missed anyone out, I apologize. There's plenty more, man. There's plenty more. And even I know about Alexander Jar. I know about Pull up. I know about Alexander Jar. We should do a reaction to him. Comment down below if you want us to do a reaction to Alexander Jar. We'll do it. Yeah, I like the song. It was a Kuzo song, baby. I liked it. What about you, Jimmy?
I like that song too. He's like different to others, and I like it. It's almost different in his own unique way, as in like his cover art, and like it was really good. You could see the fire, and I'm gonna assume that was water coming in. But in between was a girl, which sort of like connotes that she settles the line. As in, I don't know if it sounds right what I'm saying.
I like Jimmy with the analysis.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know how to explain it properly. But like,
yeah, you could be right.
Yeah, as in like the girl has that sort of balance to him.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's what I mean, yeah.
I like Jimmy back again with the knowledge and analysis. The Kuzo analysis. But yes, comment down below who should react to next. Oh, sorry, something dropped. Comment down below who should react to next. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys share the video. Make sure you guys also comment on the video. And last but not least,
subscribe to the channel.
Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, guys. We're almost at 4.7k. Let's get it, man. Come on, man. And make sure you also subscribe to my main channel. If you also subscribe to this channel, please, I want every single 4,600 and something of you guys to also subscribe to my main channel. Please, because I got lit content there as well. So this is Kuzo Reaction. That's Kuzo Family. So make sure you check out Kuzo Family. It's all together, you know what I mean? So, and you'll like it, trust me, you guys will enjoy it for real. Like, go and watch it, you'll see it, and you'll thank me later. But make sure you also add us on Snapchat and follow us on Instagram and comment down below who should react to next. I said that already, I'm waffling. It's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
You guys are Kuzo, we're Kuzo, everything Kuzo. Kuzo Family, peace and love, stay shining, we out.